Hi, welcome to Elisa Maria Designs. I am Elisa Maria. I just am getting out of a live whip and chat. A whip, yeah, was it a whip? Yeah, a live whip and chat with Anthony at Single and Placing, where we did a Muka Mania update, but we really talked about Black Friday and all the shopping that we're going to be doing. And Anthony was sharing his his wants for like different shops, and it got me looking at my own wish list. Maybe about a week ago I was looking at my wish list and I said, I think I kind of outgrew a lot of this stuff. I don't know that I'm going to want to buy this stuff. I think I'm okay for Black Friday. And then I went on a whip and chat, and then I saw what Anthony was buying, and I learned about places that I didn't know about and artists I didn't know about. And I was like, oh my God, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. And then when I came downstairs, this was at the door, and I don't know what this is. So this may be a diamond painting that I'm waiting for. Oh, it's not. Ooh, it's not. Thank you for the fast shipping. I actually bought this through Temu with a local shipping, and they said that it would be here like by December the 2nd. I just ordered it yesterday, and it came here today. And this is for John's retirement party. Happy retirement. Let's see what's in here. I wanted to get some decorations. So that's interesting. What is in this box? Don't microwave cakes. Are there plates in here? Oh, there's something to blow the balloons up too. We shall see. We shall see. I actually thought it was my diamond paintings, and I'll tell you, that's why I was stressing out, during the whip and chat. I was like, I'm going to need a support group. I didn't say I'm going to need a support group. I'm like, I think we should start a support group. And they were like, a support group for what? And I'm like, well, for people that never shopped Black Friday before and have 10 whips already open and things to be kitted up. And, have a bunch of stuff in their cart already. Yeah. I need somebody to hold my hand. Cheers retirement. Oh, these are just a few. I guess what I could do is like intersperse these in between the plain white ones that I have. What is this, like for like 10 or 12 people? Okay. Yeah, I don't think that he's going to be wearing that. I'm retired. And then this is a table cover. I'm retired. This is I'm retired. It's going to go, a little banner. These are some black and gold and white cream colored balloons that say I'm retired. Cute. This is balloon glue. I had no idea. I guess we'll find out. Cheers to retire. Oh, these are like little things that I think you can use, like you want to take pictures. Oh, these are cupcake toppers. And this is probably cheers to retirement that you put on top of a cake. Very cute. Just things to another. What is this? I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know. And a banner that says happy retirement. Nice. And I tell you, I spent less than $20 for all this, and it was so worth it just to have some decorations around the house. Happy retirement banner. And I bought one that says happy birthday too. I can't imagine, maybe balloons. Happy retirement. Little things to put around the house. I think these are the ones that you use to take pictures with, maybe. Like you could do something like that. Or like wear a mustache, a bow tie. These are got little stickers in here. How about these? I'll wear them all. That. I want to be next. A lazy time. We're more busy now than we've ever been. Still the boss. More glasses. I'm retired. Take me with you. Happy retirement. These will be fun. Everybody has a phone today, so these will be fun for the party. Cheers to retirement. I'm retired. No work zone. Cheers to retirement. Retirement is sweet. It's a little tie. And welcome to 7-day weekends. That one's really cute. Welcome to 7-day weekends. And so I really thought, I was like, I've been checking on this one diamond painting delivery that I have not got yet. And it hasn't shipped. And I thought maybe they just didn't update their Etsy that it hasn't shipped and it actually shipped. I never expected this to come here this quickly. Like I said, I ordered this last night or the night before. I mean, I'm getting my days. Everything is just all mixed up into each other. So, you know, I can't remember. But it was like yesterday or the day before. And this got here already. Happy retirement party with photo props, retired sash. Here's the little table cover. Party's happening next week. I guess that's how you... Oh, there's some Mylar balloons too. That's what the Mylar is. Oh, and then there's like, oh, that's what the sticks are actually for all these things. So that you know, people can hold them. So that's what the sticks are for. I guess I can get some streamers and stuff, and there's cake toppers, and very cute. And like I said, under 20 bucks, and I could decorate my entire house with that. But I got him another one. I got two of them. I got one that said, happy 60th. So it's like, and then I have Christmas decorations. You know, when we have a party, John and I are known for our parties. When we have a party, we have a party. And this is a multi-dimensional party. We got a lot of things happening all at once. But that's it. I finished Marie today. I really need to sit down and do a finish and a review for her. I am going to start Nordic Winter. I just want something small to do. Something that I don't get my brain too involved with, you know, all this other stuff that I have going on. Because I still have videos that I made during the week that I didn't put up yet and I didn't edit. And I'm like, you know, I really have enough content that I could now just sit back and enjoy my Thanksgiving and not feel as though I'm getting behind. But who's going to be around really? You know, not everyone celebrates Thanksgiving, but who's going to be around really? Oh, and here's something else. I'm glad I looked over here too. Did everyone get this in the mail? I got this from Diamond Art Club. I'm trying not to show you my address. I do it all the time. So I got this from Diamond Art Club in the mail. I was kind of really surprised that I got this in the mail. Open it up. We've upgraded your favorite kits. All of our canvases now come with clear perforated cover for easy sectioning, plus a premium collector's box showcasing the artwork on the outside. Enjoy the upgrade tools and features. You know, I do like the Diamond Art Club pen and putty. I do like them. I didn't give up on them. I know that I've been gung-ho with my Art Dot putty. You know, Diamond Art Club features square drills and round drills in Aurora Borealis, iridescent, glow-in-the-dark, fairy dust, and electro drills. So that was some of what came on here. Different canvases that they have, a code to get 15% off your next order, which is 15 off 39121. And then they have Sparkle Pals, Mini Dazzles, Frameables, Stockings, Mini Easels, and 1,500 plus canvas kits. So this is a new thing for Diamond Art Club. I did get the Peanuts gang because I'm going on a road trip and I figured I would get, they're not featured here, but they kind of look like this. The Peanuts gang. Is Sally still out? Sally is somewhere. Here we go. Just roll on over and get Sally. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so this is what their little, what are they calling them? Sparkle Pals? Yeah, so this is Sally, and I got the whole rest of the gang to do, but I just got my Muka from them. I've never done a Muka with Diamond Art Club. I usually do it with Diamond Painting Shop, and she is small enough that not as big as the one that I get from Rosa at Diamond Painting Shop, but the one from Diamond Art Club, I'm trying to keep it all straight, my Art Dot storage system. Let's get it right. And I think that my Muka, which is winter, is really only 32. It is. It's 32 colors, and that's with 2 ABs. And I put my ABs inside the Diamond Art Club. This is their new tray, and I have my China marker, and I just marked on here. This is Winter AB 106, and this is Winter AB 117. I have them in there, so I'm gonna need trays to carry with me. So I got these. They're stackable, and they come with their own stopper. This is an upgrade. What they're talking about here in this little flyer here. Welcome to like the new toolkit and stuff like that. And the sparkler, the minis, that's new for them. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm still trying to figure out what the card is inside the, like a trading card. I don't know what that is either. I have no idea. Anything else on here that I missed? Just the 15% off. Mini Dazzles, perfect. They're each bite-sized set includes 6 adorable designs for just $16.99. Oh, that's cute. See what I mean? This is why I need a support group, because great for travel or for fun with friends, family, offering a relaxing, creative way to unwind. Now, I just said I don't know how I feel about them, and here I am. I'm looking at the ones because I've been looking for something for my kitchen. Because I love coffee, those of you that know me, and I love chocolate. And like, look what a cute kit they got right here with the coffee and the chocolate. And they're just mini. And there's 6 of them in there. So easily distracted. So easily distracted. I'm looking at this. This is adorable. Okay. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you, Anthony, at Single and Placing, for the live chat and showing us your wish list. I think I was going to say, that's a really good idea. I have about 50... And I'm such a baby. They're probably all laughing at me right now. You only have 50 on your wish list. I had about 50 canvases on my wish list. And I thought, oh, this would be a good thing to do a screen recording of what I actually have in my wish list. But I'll tell you, why else I need, why I have such anxiety about, I have 10 whips open. I just finished one. Like, at least Lizette has a system where she's like, if I get one done, I can buy another diamond painting. So I'm like not on any kind of plan. I'm thinking I have one done. And then as soon as I was done with Anthony, for all the anxiety that I was having, I went over to Diamond Art Club and I went and put like 8 paintings in my cart. So like, I have no plan. So I have like 10 whips open. When he said Peggy Collins, and I was like, oh, I have a Peggy Collins. That's Bud. But it's not done yet. And I have Rico, who's not done yet. And I have Women in Gold, who's not done yet. And I don't even want to think I have Night's Rest that's not done yet. I don't even want to think I have Chosen that's not done yet. I have Nordic Winter that I didn't start. I have Daydreamer that I didn't start. I have nightmares at night of my diamond paintings marching in my room in my sleep in their boxes, screaming, let me out. Is this what you intended for me? Did you buy me so that you could keep me in a box? That's my nightmare. Yeah, so I'm just, popping in, telling you, I'm going to go get cooking, and I hope everyone has a happy, 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 happy holiday, and enjoy yourself, and be safe, please, if you're traveling or on the road, and just show you my little party stuff here, like I said, Temu, and if you could just look at local, and that this was delivered in 2 days. This is great. Because when I saw that they said that they will deliver between November 29th and it's early, and December 2nd, I'm like, the party is December the 7th. It has to get here. But they did a good job. Very good job. Thank you, Temu. Thank you, local shop that I ordered from. And I will see you all, as always, in the next one. Bye. Keep creating that world you want to live in. Bye.